Larson Electronics is your source for UV sanitation and disinfection needs. We offer a variety of products ranging from desktop and hand lamps for close-up sanitation, disinfection boxes and UV ovens for personal devices, portable sanitation light carts for large rooms, air purifiers for occupied areas, vehicle disinfection lights, and more. All of our UV lighting products are made and manufactured right here at Larson Electronics. Each light offers a UV range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers, which is the effective range that can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores on surfaces. UV hand lamps. Our handheld lamps offer 360 degrees of UV coverage for close-up sanitation. The lights have a hook for hands-free operation and chemical and abrasion-resistant cord with an industrial-grade cord cap. UV desktop lamp. For disinfection of computers, electronics, and personal devices. This desktop UV light has a stable base and contains an adjustable neck for accurate positioning of the light head. UV disinfection boxes. These devices are recommended for disinfecting compact tools and equipment on tables, desks, workstations, and surfaces. Individuals may leave their electronics and personal devices inside the box. After exposure, the devices can be used again immediately. Sanitation light carts. Our sanitation lights are available in dolly cart style frames with 180 degrees of coverage and industrial style carts with the full 360 degrees of coverage. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. With a recommended 30-minute exposure time for viruses, multiple units may be purchased to disinfect larger areas more quickly. These lights are available with digital timers that allow the user to set the disinfection time, safety motion sensors that shut off the light when motion has been detected, and a 90-second startup delay that allows time for clearing the room before activation. Air purifiers. Larson Electronics offers a wide range of stationary and portable air purifiers for establishments looking to eliminate disease-causing microbes and boost air quality at their site. Our selection of air purifiers with filters includes UV germicidal lamps for no-contact disinfection, as well as hydroxyl generators for occupied areas. These air purifiers clean the air continuously and do not have any associated downtime with the disinfection process. Portable or mobile models are deployed temporarily in remote sections of buildings, pop-up facilities, lobbies, multi-purpose rooms, and busy areas of establishments. A combination of both stationary and portable units is recommended for an all-encompassing approach to air sanitation in large facilities. UV air sanitation. Make your environment safe with clean air. These units project ultraviolet rays across the top of the room, providing constant purification as it flows through the UV rays being produced by the fixture. These devices operate passively without noise and do not require frequent maintenance. The IND HVAC DTW UVC R1SS 481L120V from Larson Electronics is a high-output air duct disinfection system that works to disinfect air moving through a duct system via germicidal ultraviolet rays. The air flowing through the duct that passes through the UV rays is then sanitized. Bacteria and viruses present in the air that passes through the UV rays produced by the fixture are destroyed. Vehicle sanitation lights. This slim profile lamp measures 50 inches wide and offers a 5 to 10 minute exposure time. It includes adjustable nylon straps for mounting inside vehicles. An inline switch along the cord allows operators to activate and deactivate the unit outside of the vehicle after temporary installation. UV troffer lights. Available in 2x2 and 2x4 sizes, this germicidal UVC recessed troffer mount fluorescent fixture offers high light output from a compact form factor. This troffer mount UVC germicidal fixture is for recessed mounting in inverted T-bar grid ceilings. This is a great lighting solution for general area lighting systems and commercial indoor spaces. Customization options are also available to meet your specific needs. American-made and manufactured UV lighting from Larson Electronics. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.